Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a open high-low close chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart in VBA Excel, I have the data as shown on the screen, which has the date, open, high, low and close numbers for its respective dates. Now, this is the macro button in which I have assigned a VBA code, and first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code and what all codes has to be written to create this type of open high low close chart in VBA Excel. So let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our open high low close chart in VBA Excel, which has the data table and the legends on the top, as well as the chart title is also set. So let's see how we can code this and use VBA to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Let's get into our VBA editor and see the code and understand what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor and this is the sub procedure which I have created to create an open high low close chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require these lines of code in VBA to create these lines of parameters as well as the code to create the open high low close chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see how these lines will help us to create a open high low close chart in VBA Excel. So the first line of code which says is to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, C4 is the single cell which I have selected inside my data. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the line of code which says activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets I'm going to give these parameters. Let's see what all parameters has to be given to create open high low close chart. So the first parameter is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video, we have the chart value of 322. After that, we are going to separate each and every parameter by a comma. So the second parameter which we are going to give is what type of chart we are trying to build. So in this video, we are going to build a open high low close chart. So in VBA Excel, we have the chart type which is called Excel stock OHLC. After that, we are going to give the top, height, width as well as the left parameter to position and size our chart. After that, we are going to close the bracket and then we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created and selected. After your chart is created and selected, the first step what we are going to do is we are going to use multiple with statements over here. As you can see that this is the first with statement. Inside it we have written another with statement, and below that we have written another with statement, and at the end we have closed each with statement over here one by one. So let's see how this block or these blocks of code with statement will help us to do some actions inside our open high low close stock chart in VBA Excel. So what we are going to do is after creating and selecting our chart over here in the second line, we are going to come to the next line and type with active chart. So once your chart is created and selected, it becomes your active chart. So we are going to type with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot chart groups, and inside the brackets we are going to type 1, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot down bars dot select. What this means, this line of code will select all the negative bars inside our open high low close chart. Okay, these are the negative bars. If you hover over here, exactly it says down bars. So this will select these down bars, and then it will color it with the red color. So for coloring the down bars, we have to type this line of, or this block of with statement, which is below this line of code we are going to type with selection. So once you have selected your down bars, it becomes the selection for the VBA editor when you're referring it again. So it means you're typing with selection dot format dot fill. So what we are going to do is we are going to select this and fill the red color. So this will, so once you have written this fill, after that in the next line you have to type dot for color dot RGB equals to VB red, and then end with in the next line. So this block of code will color the negative bars first, or the down bars over here. After that what we are going to do is we are going to color the up bars in green. So to do that, what I have did is I have copied till here and pasted exactly below, and what I did is I have made some changes. So let's see what are they. So I have typed dot chart groups, and inside the brackets I've given 1, and outside the brackets I have typed dot up bars dot select. Here we type down bars dot select. Over here we are going to type up bars dot select. After that we are going to take this block of with statement exactly over here, but we are going to do some changes, a small change. Let's see what it is. So the changes, so the with block is with selection dot format dot fill, and in the next line we are going to type dot for color dot RGB equals to green, and then end with in the next line. So over here we have given dot, sorry, not dot, we have given equals to VB red, and over here we have given equals to VB green. Once you have given this, now what we are going to do is we are going to show only the data values or the dates over here which are present inside our data. So to show only the dates available, or the data available for the dates inside our data, if you want to show the exact one, exactly the same data into your chart or inside your chart, what we have to do is in the next line we are going to type dot access, and in the brackets it will be Excel category, and outside the bracket it will be dot category type equals to Excel category scale. Once you have given this line of code, it will give, or it will present the data inside your chart which is available and which you have referred inside your worksheet. Otherwise, let's say if you skip this line, then you will be able to see the blank dates or the dates which don't have any data, or the dates which are not present inside your data table over here. So this line is important, and if you want to skip and you have to show the entire data from the date range, then you can skip this as well. Okay, after that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this data table with legend keys. So we are going to create this data table by using dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code, your data table with legend keys will be created over here. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on top over here. As you can see, open, high, low, close, these legends are on top. So to place them on top or set them on top of a chart, we have to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. Once you have given this line of code, your legends will be set on top. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart. So to remove the grid lines from our chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code, your grid lines will be disappeared from your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the chart title. So to set the chart title, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the double inverted comma we are going to give, so inside the double inverted commas we are going to give our chart title. So for this video I have kept the chart title as open, high, low, close chart in VBA Excel, and if you want to change this as per your preference, then you can change it as per your data. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type end with in the next line, and then we are going to type range E3. So range E3 is nothing but the any empty cell inside my worksheet. Okay, so you can keep this, you can give the empty cell address inside this range code to select it. So after that, after closing the brackets, you're going to type dot select. So what this line will do is this will deselect your chart. As you can see that we have selected our chart over here initially while creating it. Now we have to deselect it because we have created and modified our chart and made more presentable. So to deselect a chart, we want to write, or we have to write this line of code. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create an open, high, low, close chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit to our channel BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment section. Till then, Have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.